Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Raja Muhammad ZULKARNAIN, and today me and my team will be representing about our assignment, and the renewable energy sources that we have chosen is solar power. Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy sources available in the world.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NAJIHA Binti BAHRIN. I will present about the construction of solar and how does it make. Okay, so here is our solar panel. We know that solar panels are made using a few main components and assembled in advanced manufacturing facility with extreme accuracy. Here is our very first component, glass. Glass is actually protect the cell and electronic from the environment while allowing light to pass through. The front glass protect the PV cell from weather and impact from hail or airborne debris. The thickness is actually within 3.0 to 4.0 millimeters and resist mechanical load and extreme temperature changes. The next component, encapsulant, or the full name is ethylene vinyl acetate, which specially designed polymer highly transparent plastic layer used to encapsulate the cell and hold them in position during manufacture. The EVA must be extremely durable and tolerant of extreme temperature and humidity. It plays an important part in long-term performance and by preventing moisture and dirt ingress. Photovoltaic cell and act as electrical insulator and physical spacer. Okay, then we go to the semiconductor. Semiconductor is actually convert the light energy into electricity by the photovoltaic effect. Top and bottom conductor allow generate current to flow. When the semiconductor material absorb light, the electron material start emitting. This happens because the light consists small energized particle called photon. Okay, here we got P and N type of semiconductor material. These layers are joined to form PN junction, where the light fall on the junction and electrons start moving from one region to another. The last component, we got that baking sheet. Okay, baking sheet is the rearmost layer of common solar panel which act as moisture barrier and final external skin to provide mechanical protection and electrical insulation. Here we got that protect the PV module from UV, moisture and weather, it acting as insulator. Its color also typically white and but available in clear or black or somehow black depending on the manufacturer and module. That's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL Binti FAUZI. Today I'm going to explain about the operation of solar power. How does it work? Solar power works by converting light from the sun into electricity. This is then fed into a solar inverter which convert the DC electricity from your solar panels into an AC electricity. Third is the electricity then passed through a breaker box to the outlet in the building. Lastly is items such as lamp, TV, laptop and others can plug into the outlet for power.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SYAFIQAH. I'm going to present about the characteristic of solar energy. So the first one is, it is renewable energy sources. This energy is truly renewable sources. The world will not run out of solar energy unlike some other sources. So for the second one is, it is reduced electricity bills. These sources will return on investment, unlike paying for utility bills. So for the third characteristic, it is a technology development. Technology is in the solar power industry is constantly advancing, and improvement will intensify in the future. For the fourth characteristic is low maintenance cost. This solar energy system generally do not require a lot of maintenance. Next is for the fifth characteristic is diverse application. Solar energy can be used for diverse purposes. People can generate electricity or heat with it.
A very good evening to Dr. Mohamed Noor and my fellow friends. I'm DARRSHINY and today I'll be talking on the application of solar system. So, the first application of solar system is solar heating of buildings. There are two methods of this application. The first method will be collecting the solar radiation by some element of building itself. In example, solar energy is admitted directly into the building through large south-facing windows. The second method will be using separate solar collectors which may heat either water or air or storage devices which can accumulate the collected solar energy for use at night and during inclement days.
The next application is solar powered transportation. For example, like trains, cars and bikes. This mode of transportation can harvest energy during daylight and then use it during nighttime. But due to the fact that solar panel requires a wide area of plantation, vehicles like cars and bikes are less likely to be using solar powered. But there are still some out there that uses it. Solar powered transportation are more likely to be the future because there are many electrical cars nowadays.
The third application of solar system is solar thermal power production. Solar thermal power production means the conversion of solar energy into electricity through thermal energy. In this procedure, solar energy is first utilized to heat up a working fluid, gas, water or any other volatile liquid. This heat energy is then converted into mechanical energy in a turbine. Finally, a conventional generator coupled to the turbine converts this mechanical energy into electrical energy.
Next one is solar technology. For example, like satellite or cell phone or even your daily household items. The best example of solar technology is satellite. As you might have already know, the International Space Station has very big solar panels on either side. This is to ensure that they can harvest energy needed to keep the station operating. It is very advantageous since there is no obstacle blocking the solar panel and the sun. Next is solar lighting. For example, like street light, office lamp, stadium spotlight. They use the basic principle on how solar energy works. This type of application is suitable and efficient for this type of places because they have massive power consumption. It can help reduce electricity bills, and by using green energy, we can help save the planet.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.